Sorry guys, can you see me now? I have no idea what's going on here. This is taking forever, and I may have to redo this sometime when I figure it out, because I cannot seem to figure it out for the life of me. You're scared to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about to jump up, can't you tell? Hold on a second, guys. I gotta set up this other screen so I can see the chat. I didn't know that I couldn't set up. I didn't know I couldn't set up the chat for on my tablet. So I got it on my phone, but I could barely see it. So hold on a minute. Let me put it on. How's everybody doing? Anybody trading right now, or are you just kicking back? I'm blind too. I'm having a hard time seeing everything, and plus I got the screen or the lights blaring in my face. But anyways, this is what I'm watching right now, guys. The current trade I'm in now, I got in earlier today down here, and I have my my sells up here at the top of this trend line at about 88.50 for right now, and I believe that will accumulate a little bit of sideways action before going up further. This is weird. This is my first time live chatting, so it's going to be kind of weird, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I did think it was kind of funny. Hyperwave did a video today that they bought into Bitcoin. Thought that was pretty hilarious. Can you guys hear me? Can anyone hear me at all? Can you hear me? Okay, there we go. All right, so what do you guys want to look into? You want to look at some coins, or you want to dig into this a little deeper and see what's going on here? Obviously, guys, I believe we're definitely going up from here. We zoom into this in the 15-minute, we can see right here we're about to obviously pop up. We'll probably retest this 83.53, and once we go past that, guys, to the moon. I'm just joking, not to the moon, but I'm looking at, like I said, I'm looking at getting up to the top of this. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Looking at getting up to the top of this this trend line right here. Like I said, around the maybe $8,900 range, $9,000 range. We may have a huge candle up here, guys. I kind of wanted to, I was hoping I would catch this live. It's possible. I don't know that it's going to be that huge, but I do believe we're about to move up here. Who done good today with any trades? I mean, are you in a good trade now? What's going on? Thanks, Edward. I got some mods. I don't know if they're in here or not. Are you guys in here? They might have got lost because I had to restart this chat. But yeah, I'm definitely looking for 9K here, guys. We do have to watch, though. I am gonna give you guys something to watch. We need to watch the bottom of this trend line right here. For example, if this candle, this 1 hour candle we're on now, So I got 6 minutes left. We don't have much to worry about. But the area we got to watch, if we go down below the 8100 range again, you know, we definitely could be going for a downside. I don't think that's going to happen, guys, but we do have to be aware of that. I really appreciate all your guys' support, man, and bear with me on the first live stream, but let's watch this candle rise here. It should be pretty fun. We got to break that 8350 range. Once we break that, this should be a really nice candle. I don't know if it'll be in this 1 hour candle or the next. We may get another candle open, come down a little bit, and then shoot up. But I believe we're going to see some nice moves tonight. And I hope if you guys are trading, and you know how to trade properly, you got to know how to do risk management. You can easily lose a lot of money too. We're definitely going to get some resistance here, guys. Let's see what happens. There was a whole lot of people in the other chat. Sorry it didn't work. I don't know. I still don't even know what I'm doing really, so. Let's see what happens here. This is let's go down to the smaller time frame. Go into the 15-minute time frame, see what it looks like. I will be doing more live streams, guys, once I get used to this and figure it all out. I'm not too hey, thanks for the tip, Michael. Appreciate it. Let's see what happens here. If this goes kind of slow, we'll start looking into some other coins. Maybe take a suggestion, see which coin you guys want to look at. I know a lot of people have been talking about ETH and stuff. I made an Ethereum chart a while back, about 3 months ago, that I still got on here, and I think most of the targets are hitting. Beeb said, how do I trade? I just got verified. I wouldn't just jump into it like that, man. Definitely do some research. Obviously, see what this candle did right here. I think it's doing a stop hunt is what it looks like. We'll see here shortly. Like I said, I'm not worried here unless we drop below that 8100 area, which is going to be around this 55 EMA in the 15-minute. But if we go to these drops always make people paranoid. I think it's funny. I mean, that's how people get wrecked in the market, man. They go all haywire and keep changing their trades in the middle of their trades, and there we go. See, it's climbing back up, guys. I don't know. I've never really looked into Dogecoin. Never really checked it out. You want to look at Litecoin, see where that's at. Take a look at Litecoin. This is the daily. Let's move into the 4 hour. That's my favorite time frame. And guys, I don't use all the 8 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, whatever. I stick with the daily, the 4 hour, and you know, I'll play with the hourly and a 15-minute if I'm looking, you know, for a move. Kind of funny. Look at that wedge I've had drawn there, and it stopped right up at the peak of that wedge. I do believe we're probably just going to consolidate here, though, guys, on this $100 line. And I do believe we're going to continue up at least to this 116 area. And then if you've been watching my videos, you see I got higher targets up here. So H. Cummings is here. Not sure if he's assigned yet. I think I assigned. Pretty sure I assigned. If not, we'll have to figure it out later. Is there anybody, even any of the moderators I hooked up in here? And do you have a wrench? Anybody? Does not look like it. This is weird. This is really lagged, guys. But yeah, the 4 hour chart is looking good still for Litecoin. I mean, absolute worst case scenario, I think we come back down and test this line at the 93 area, but I don't even think that's going to happen. What I'm looking for here, guys, I'll draw it in real quick, is kind of just something like this, and probably get a shot up to that 116 area, something in that that vicinity. I want to go back to Bitcoin here. I'm in a long in Bitcoin, so I'm really trying to keep an eye on it. But yeah, still looks strong. Everything looks good, guys. I definitely am looking for a move up tonight. Like I said, to at least the $8,500 area. Possibly, you know, the way Bitcoin's been acting, we could get up to that 8,900, 9,000 range overnight. But we'll see. I can give a wrench during a live stream, but I can't open my live stream on my tablet and stuff. I have to have another laptop. If I'd have knew that, I would have set another laptop up here. I guess I'm not getting too many haters in here yet, though, so I guess that's all right. I appreciate you guys stopping in and checking it out. It'd be pretty cool if we could see this move live. See, we got, yeah, we're almost done with this 4 hour. That's going to leave us a doji candle. So the next candle is probably going to come back down, test this trend line again, and pop up maybe. Something like that. If not, we'll go straight up. But did any of you guys watch the hyperwave video today when they got on talking about it? Alts versus BTC next week. Can I change my video title? What's up, Cutie for Blockchain? How you doing? What's up, Anthony? Let's take a vote real quick. Who thinks we're going to break down tonight? Hit 2. Who thinks we're going to have another shot up? Hit 1. Curious to what everybody thinks here. Crypto Jeremy, the ratio will be fine. I think we're all right. Everything looks good to me, man. Getting a lot of ones. Everybody thinks we're going up, huh? Yeah, I'll do that the next live stream. Like I said, this is kind of just a test run, guys. I don't even really know what the hell I'm doing on here. I just wanted to do a live stream, kind of get the feel for it and see how it works. Christopher, there's 1, 2 in there. He thinks we're going to break down. It's possible. Anything's possible. I'm not leaning that way, but if you're playing right and you got your stop set, you should be all right. Not too worried about it. Usually, though, if you guys have been watching the market, usually when a 4 hour candle opens, if it starts going down directly, it might go down for 1 or 2 hours, but it usually ends up shooting up, especially in positions like this. But let me spread this out, guys. Definitely watch this trend line here, right at the 8,060, 8,050 area. That's where we need to watch. Illuminati sheep said anyone that said 2. Is that a mean face? Target for LTC. As long as we stay above this $100 range here, a target for LTC is still that 116 area. Crypto Jeremy's in here? I didn't even notice. Where you at, Crypto Jeremy? No offense, but I mean I know who you are, but I don't watch other analysts just because I've had bad luck with believing some of them and then screwing up my own analysis. But yeah, I've seen some of your videos pop up and stuff. Maybe we have to do a live stream together sometime and to see what we both see and combine it. See what it looks like. As long as you're not a fan of the Super Bears, I guess. Go over Ether. I'll pull up an old chart I had of Ethereum that I did back in March and just look at it. I had some targets in there. I don't know that the... Oh, you just do news. Good. Maybe we should partner up, because I don't do news. All I do is chart analysis. That's it, man. So if you want me to come on there sometime and talk about it, or if you want to come on my channel, kind of talk about the news and how it affects the charts, that'd be kind of cool. I'll definitely start watching your channel, though, now that I know that you're not a analyst. That's pretty sweet. Not that I have anything against analysts. I just, like I said, I don't like to watch other people's opinion, and then it, you know, gives me bias one way or the other. When I like to stick to my charts, it seems to work out a whole lot better for me. But yeah, let me open up this Ethereum chart. Like I said, I don't really chart Ethereum because I don't trade it and I don't mess with it. But I will open up the chart that I had going here real quick. I don't know if I have it in here or where I have it. Oh, wow. With everything running like this, it makes everything super, super slow, guys. Sorry, it's going to take a minute to load this up. I think I might have to change all my settings to be doing a live stream. Yeah, yep, my Ethereum chart is on there. Mind you, like I said, I haven't touched this in forever. Wow. Man, the crypto world can be kind of rude to each other sometimes. But yeah, I don't know. As soon as this loads up, we can look at what my targets were and see how it's looking. Smasher. What's up, man? What's up, Nathan? Can I check XRP? I will probably some other time. I'm going to start doing, like I said, I'm going to start doing more live streams and stuff. I'm just kind of testing this out. But yeah, there's that chart I made back. I think I made it back here in March sometime, but obviously this trend line changed a little bit, but damn, my targets were pretty freaking close, guys. Nice. Well, let's take a look and see what it might be going on. I think it's got quite a bit higher to go. If I move this top trend line right here like this, where we broke out, do a measured move from over here. Let's see. I know this seems real simple, guys, but you know, if you've been watching my channel, it works. So here's the measured move for Ethereum. Oops, that should be green. But, oh well, just doing a quick one right now. Let's switch that over to green. Put a target in there. Sorry guys if I'm not, it's hard to pay attention to the damn questions and the screen at the same time. But anyway, looks like Ethereum might be headed to the 270 area, somewhere in there. Pussy smile it. Let's get these likes up. Thanks, man. Oh. Yeah, this is weird. I had to, really plan it out a little better next time, but yeah, that's Ethereum. Yeah, looks to me like we're headed towards the 170 area. That would be my opinion. Looks good to me. I'm gonna go back over here to Litecoin real quick, see what's going on. Yeah, like I said, I think Litecoin's gonna consolidate here, and I think it's gonna end up creating some sort of bull pennant or bull flag. Damn, this thing's lagging bad. Oh, the arguments people have over their coins, man. It's crazy. You know, I don't. There's a lot of coins I don't like, but I don't care. I mean, again, if people can make money off them, great. You know, keep doing what you're doing. What's up, Sutbox Suddy? Let's look at Bitcoin. What's it doing? Oh, sorry, that wasn't even Bitcoin. I was looking at the wrong chart. It's still hanging out there. Yeah, guys, I see us going up from here, man. I really do. I'd like I said, if we could stay above this bottom trend line here, we're safe, man. So if you guys are trading, I just suggest you keep your stops. If you look at the candle, come down, keep your stops below that trend line. You'll probably be all right. You should definitely do live streams. I'm not used to them yet. They're weird, man. This is weird. I'm sitting in here talking to myself. At least when I do the video in the morning, you know, I'm kind of used to that, but trying to keep up with, keep up with the chat and stuff is kind of hard. Yeah, I mean, I could see how it could be kind of fun. I just had to get some more topics and stuff to put in here. Damn, AAP. Thanks for the tip, dude. You're awesome. I appreciate that. You guys know that's not expected at all, but damn, I appreciate it. So it looks like most of the bears are bullish now, huh? Guys, take this chart back a little bit and just kind of look at what's going on. Actually, I'm going to go over to my favorite chart. If you guys watch my channel, you know. Let's see. Mark, get a new PC so no lag. I don't think it's a PC, man. I got a good PC. I think it's just the settings. I got to change the settings for live stream. It's different for live stream. It's not working. Yeah, I have to get this the channel or the settings in my OBS studio. I got to change that because this is obviously not working out real good. That sucks. Anyways, I don't know why this is. I don't know if there's. I don't think there's anything I can change while I'm doing it. So, guess I may have to stop this chat. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix whatever settings on this thing. God, he's being mean. Don't stop. I gotta stop. It's all lagging and all kinds of crap. I gotta look it up and reset the settings on my OBS for live stream. Is Big Dog in here? I didn't see Big Dog. I seen him in the other chat before I switched over to this one. So is everybody starting to learn how to calm down a little bit instead of getting so crazy? Like, like when the market's doing good and then it starts dropping a little bit, all of a sudden everybody will start popping their YouTube videos out saying, we're crashing now, blah, blah, blah. It's insane, man. And it just makes everybody stressed out and paranoid. And I hope none of you hey, what's up, Big Dog? I hope none of you guys got ripped off by any of them, guys selling their courses and all that crap. everything in their courses, guys. If they were so good in their courses, they wouldn't have to sell their courses. You know, if they were so good at trading and reading the charts, you know, maybe they wouldn't have to sell the shit. But anyways, I hope none of you guys got sucked into that stuff, and I hope you spread the word for people not to do that shit, man. You can find, I'm self-taught. I just watched tons of videos and yeah, I'm self-taught. I just watched a lot of videos and stared at the charts for many hours. You saw a car driving down the road on fire? Right on, Edward Park. Edward Park, aren't you in Bitcoin Masons? End of bull cycle targets. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I've been obviously you guys know I've been looking at this gold chart, comparing it to the Bitcoin chart. And if we are if this is where that topped out, and we look at it here, that would be around 46,000. Thanks for the tip, Joe. Appreciate it, man. But yeah, it'd be around the 46,000. But I'm gonna zoom out, kind of show you what I've been looking at. That this could possibly, it could possibly be what's going on here. I'm gonna go into the log chart. See if we can. Something kind of crazy I was looking at that I don't think anybody's talked about yet. But everybody was comparing this to the 2013 bull market. And I believe, and guys, this is only my opinion, but we could be looking at something like this right now. You know, this could be like the 2018 bear market. And, you know, we got this coming, which could get us up, you know, who knows, get up to 70, 80, 100,000, maybe higher. But I don't like to call it too far ahead. Bitcoin's looking like it wants to push up here, guys. Definitely looking like it wants to push up. We should be able to catch this live. A hell of a start to a daily candle. Let's look at the daily. I didn't even look how the daily ended. See how that's looking. Beautiful candle. Yeah, guys, we're on our way up, man. Definitely, I can see this coming down a little bit. Like I said, maybe the 8,100 or something back up, but it's looking strong. Man, it's a good time to be in Bitcoin. $20,000 by September, Dean. Yeah, it might even be higher than that, man. Litecoin 500 by September. That sounds about right. I figure if Bitcoin goes to 46,000, Litecoin's probably going to be between 600 and 1,000, somewhere in there. What's your percentage chance of Bitcoin fail soon with a retrace to 6,500? It's possible. I guess it's possible, but I don't think so. I think, you know, we may get up to that, around that 10 grand area, maybe a retrace back down to the 7,600, 8,200 range. I don't think we're going to get that big correction everybody's thinking. Like I said, guys, I'm expecting some big news soon. If it matches up with that gold chart, you know, I truly believe in patterns, and we're right in this area right now for Bitcoin. Email verification to get in Discord. Check email. I don't know what you're saying there. If Bitcoin continues up, what do you think alts will do in the short term? I don't know. I don't believe alts. I don't believe, I guess, the low cap alts are going to do as good as they did last time. AAP said, are you telling us Tone Base is wrong? Yeah, I don't like that guy, man, personally. I think he's an arrogant jackass, man. Just to be honest. But maybe some of you guys are fans and aren't going to like that, but I'm just going to be honest with you. I don't like that guy. I don't like his attitude. I think he sucks at analyzing. Just my opinion, though. Nice to be entitled to your opinion, I guess. Yeah, I'll probably stay on another 5 or 10 minutes. Kind of chit chat with you guys. Appreciate the tips, man. Where is LTC Little? What's up, Crazy World Videos? It's funny, a lot of you guys, I remember all, you know, when I had like 100 subscribers and stuff. I'm amazed how fast the channel grew. I really appreciate it, guys. You guys are awesome, man. What's amazing? Sutbox, this price. Go back to the Bitcoin chart. Moving on up, guys. I don't want to mispronounce your name. Tertullian. Headed to 10K before we dip. Yeah, I don't know. We might stop a little before. This 9600 area is really where I'm looking at. And then maybe a dip. Like I said, very worst case scenario, guys. If we go into this, I really like the trend lines that came out on this. Let me switch this up a little bit and get back out of the log. Kind of zoom in here. Yeah, I like the trend lines on this Bitcoin daily chart. And this kind of has been a guide for me. Obviously, if you guys been watching my channel, you know I put a lot of weight on this chart. Somebody said Tone Vase compared the Bitcoin to the gold chart the other day, as somebody else came on and said, yeah, but he looked at the wrong end. That was funny as hell, man. Because he did. He looked at the wrong damn end. I don't understand why them guys don't look at it the right way. But yeah, I guess, you know, like I said, we get up to this 9600 range. Worst possible correction I see, guys, is back down to the 6600 area, which I don't even know that we'll get down that far. But, you know, we could come down and retest this. That is possible. I don't necessarily believe that's what's going to happen, but it's possible. But that's the worst case scenario, man. Anyone that has, you know, anyone that is still waiting for a Bitcoin under 6,000, I think you're screwed, man. But that's my opinion. I could be wrong. Not financial advice, obviously. Price of what? Good in December? If you meant gold, I have no idea. I don't keep track of that stuff. Really, guys, all I really keep an eye on is Litecoin and Bitcoin. Every once in a while, I'll fool around with some other charts, but I work full time. I run a company, and you know, I don't have a lot of time to sit around and stare at charts. So I stick with Bitcoin and Litecoin. I don't even trade my Litecoin. I hold all my Litecoin. I hold my Bitcoin. I trade for leverage, and I use my profits to buy more coins. I mean, I'm just accumulating, and I'm trading to get more money to accumulate. That's my game plan. Litecoin Moon Boys. Dean H hoping for 5,700. It's possible, man, but I don't think you're gonna see it, man. Australian dollars, we're already hitting your targets. Bitcoin wants to pop here, guys. You trade on your phone while you work? That's dangerous, man. BTC pushing down now. I don't see it. We looking at different charts, Mike? Or are you looking at B-Trash? Do any other coins and projects interest me? Nah, not really. I mean, I like XLM. I like a few. I hold some other the higher cap coins. I don't really mess with the low cap coins. I got into XVG for a little while last year, made a little money, got out, but I really don't see a lot going on for those coins. Crypto Savvy, are you planning on trading Litecoin if it pumps for the halving and then retraces? No, I'll just hold my Litecoin, man. Hold my Litecoin and I'll buy more. I'll just buy more if it retraces like that. Same thing with Bitcoin. You know, I like I said, I leverage trade, and I use my profits to keep buying, man. If BTC breaks 8,500, that'll be bullish. Hell yeah, that'll be bullish. Like I said, we might have a little pause around 8,500. But a lot of times, guys, what Bitcoin's been doing is everywhere we thought we were going to get resistance, man, we're blowing right through it. This is strong. I have a theory, man. By looking at the gold chart, I think the people that are approving the ETF already know, man, that it's getting approved, and that's what's going on here. I truly believe that. And if it's not the ETF, it's some kind of big news somebody knows about. But it's been in the charts. If you watched my videos from when I started in December when I was calling the bottom, you know, it's been in the charts. This wasn't no surprise. When will I sell then? When I think we're getting close to the top of this bull run, I'll probably sell half, hold on to the other half. Do I go into my trading on Discord? Yeah, I throw some of my trades out there in Discord. Most of the time. You need to learn how to do what, Anthony? Thanks, Edward. It was rough, man. People were really knocking on me for being bullish. You know, I think my first video, we were at like 3,180, and I was saying that I think that was the bottom. And actually, if you look at that video, I drew an Elliott wave that got up to, I think, about 65 or 6,700. And as, you know, as the market moved along, you know, I moved along with it and could see where it was going. Will the altcoins survive? I don't know. I'm sure there will be some. I'm not Tone Vase saying everything's going to shit. There's going to be projects that make it, man. There's room for other projects. And I know they're saying the Litecoin net or the Lightning Network's going to make Bitcoin more spendable, and they won't need a Litecoin. Litecoin's not going nowhere. Litecoin's going to be the normal man's spending money. I really believe that, and I think Bitcoin is going to be a store of value. People don't want to spend their Bitcoin. Yeah, I belong to a Facebook group too that I was posting in there, and I think it was on the December. I don't remember. It was right when we hit bottom, and I posted a kind of a little sentimental, not sentimental, but I just put on there, you know, guys, wouldn't you be upset if this was the bottom and you didn't buy? You really need to think about it. Even if it isn't the bottom, why not buy now? And I'll pull those up one time in a live stream and show you. I held on to them. They're actually pretty funny. And they were both at the bottom when I was telling the people this. And I was telling them that Bitcoin and Litecoin were going to surprise everybody real quick, and it's happening. Yeah, I think we lost. When I had the first chat open, there was a lot more people, but I couldn't figure out how to use the damn thing, and I had to make a new one, and I lost a bunch of people. Edward Park, lots of rich people trying to get their hands on BTC. I believe it is, man. I believe that's what happened. If you guys heard my theory about the hyperwave crap, I think that was all just kind of a scam and a hustle to hold people back by using people with influence in the Bitcoin community. You know, somebody got somebody with a lot of influence and kind of helped them to talk it down to keep everybody down. I believe that's definitely possible, man. While they were accumulating the whole time and charging Bitcoin for their conferences and trading courses, and well, why wouldn't they charge cash if they were so sure it was going down? They could have bought it lower. Nicholas Menarch, yeah, FOMO is hard right now. I said that if you watch my videos, at the end of a few of them, I told everybody that's waiting on that lower low, I'd see them at 7,500 or 7,500 when they were FOMOing in, and look at them now. The hyperwave dude caved. He did a live stream earlier, said he bought. I can't believe anybody believed that guy. He don't even know how to use his damn trading view chart. How would you trust a guy like that to be reading charts? We're definitely getting ready to break out. It's going to give it a hell of a try. Let's go into the 1 hour. Looking pretty good, guys. We'll have to see. Definitely have to watch, though. You know, it could be a fake out and come down from here, but as long as you got these trend lines drawn, you know, keep your stops below that trend line. You should be all right. The trend line's right around 80.50 now, 8,050. That he said, I just watched him and it was hard. I'm assuming you're thinking of hyperwave. Mike Hooker, I don't give financial advice, bud. Big Dog, Black Swan events. I think they're already in the charts, man. You'll see it coming. I truly believe that. I don't pay attention to the news. Sorry about that. I don't pay attention to the news and all that crap, man. The charts, couldn't explain how it works, but it works, man. Everything's in the charts. Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. You recommend a good book for making your own charts and analysis? I didn't use any books, man. Wyckoff theory, or Wyckoff theory, however you say it. That's a good one. You could download the PDF. I like the Wyckoff theory. I started out with Elliott wave theory, and I learned that and went through it and kind of learned the ins and outs of it. And then I started using some other techniques, and then I got into Wyckoff, and now I kind of use a combination of everything. But yeah, it's a lot more simple than people make it out to be, man. If you guys watch my videos, I've been calling these targets and just using trend lines and, you know, formations, and everybody else is pulling up 50 million indicators that are just useless. And I can't believe people pay for them. I don't know. I just want people to understand that it's not that difficult. If you think about it, back when before people were big on computers, when they still drew the charts, people only used trend lines, support and resistance, and, you know, formations. And I think them guys, the big money power guys, still do it that way. They don't use all that all the indicators and crap, man. That stuff's horrible. Doesn't do nothing but it give you 100 different mixed signals. Apparently somebody wants. That's how my work is constantly. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to get off here. I'll try to make the next live stream a little bit better, but I will do a video in the morning and see it where we're at. Hope everybody has a good night. Love how Savvy is just minimal, not mad. All right, guys, have a good night. I will come back. I will do another live stream. Try to do 1 or 2 a week anyway. We'll see how it goes. Will your wallet survive an empty vent or coronal mass ejection? I have no idea what you're talking about, big dog. But have a great time, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I will be posting a video in the morning. I hope everybody has a great night and good luck. And I hope everybody wins a bunch of money. Take it easy.